Hi guys, just doing a really quick video. I am using the Charlotte Tilbury new Pillow Talk quad, the Pillow Talk Dreams. Thank you very much Maria from Nightstar Beauty that alerted me that this actually arrived in New Zealand. Quite shocked, we never get new releases that quickly and was not expecting it. Even though it had only arrived that day, by the time I went online all the highlighters were gone, and so I just got my hands on the quad, which is what I was after anyway. I have used as many Charlotte Tilbury products as I can. As I said later on in the video, I've listed them down below in my shop list link. Just click on that and look under the tab posts and you will find what else I have on in my face. If you are new to my channel, thanks for joining me. My name is Ange. I like to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman. So if that interests you, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. I would love to see you back. I do try to upload videos on a weekly basis, and I do focus on beauty, skincare and all that sort of thing. If you'd want to be notified each time I upload a video, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube does let you know. And to all my beautiful, amazing subscribers, thank you so much. I've been having a rough time, and your kind thoughts, your comments, your prayers mean so much to me and really make a difference to my day. So without further ado, let's get into this palette. The new Pillow Talk quad from Charlotte Tilbury features metallic and matte shades of pearlescent rose gold, dusky rose, berry brown and rosebud pink for a dialed up version of Pillow Talk. Oh, okay, so as I said, this is going to be a quick eye look, hopefully, because I am running late to go out for dinner. But let's see how we go. Gorgeous little palette. Shouldn't take too long. There's not too many shades to have to pop on. Editing Ange here. I just want to draw attention that my foundation is not looking flash in this video. I am really struggling at the moment with my skin just changing, not in texture and dryness, but I'm really pinky and red around my chest and neck, and my normally neutral toned foundations are just looking so yellow and off point at the moment. These are all of my foundations at the moment. These are the two that I mixed last night, and I fear that the NARS Sheer Glow was way too yellow. So I've got heaps that are way too dark. I've got shades where I've got a deep and a light, deep and a light for my summer shades. I don't have a summer shade anymore. There's another one. So I'm really going to have to sort these out and maybe get a pinky toned light foundation to mix in so that I can use these up. Wig, it's a lot of hair for me. I have to play. I didn't have a lot of time getting ready. I got up super early this morning, about 4:30. Had chemo yesterday, and the steroids really play havoc with me, so a little bit discombobulated. So I've done all my makeup, I've got contacts on and I've got coloured contacts on, and here that is way too much for me. I have got some shorter ones on their way from the credits that I got from returning. Anyway, into the eyeshadow look. Morphe M504 and this medium shade here. You know the drill. I have primed my eyes just with the concealer. I've still got pillow marks on my face from falling asleep. I had a bit of a nana nap and then have left it a bit late waking up to go out. But we have not been out for dinner in a long time, months. January was the last time we went out, 30th January. And we missed our wedding anniversary in February because I was so unwell. So we're going out tonight and I'm really looking forward to it. A nice little local restaurant here is putting us in a table down the back away from everybody, so I feel quite comfortable venturing out tonight. Okay, so just using, I actually thought it was going to be a lot more pinky than that, but it's more rosy, which is pretty. Always freak out thinking I haven't put my mic on. Oh, I don't like rushing. Okay. So that I am just started in the outer corner, blending up into that upper crease and just really softly blending that in. Tempted to change into my fringed wig. I might do that when I finish. Let's see. In fact, I've got a straight wig that I've got up for sale at the moment, so I might even go and throw that on. And have another go with this when I've got time to play with it. It's the first time it's been on my head. It's just a bit too much here, I think. Okay, so I do quite like that. Now I'm going to go in with the Pillow Talk eyeliner and I'm going to smudge that. I am having trouble with my eyeliner and my lashes because I've got, when I say lashes, false lashes, because I've got nothing here and it makes it hard. So I'm starting off with Pillow Talk and I will add a dark brown once I've got my lashes on. And I will run that along the bottom and I'll use the dark eyeshadow to smudge it. Oh, looking so old at the moment. My skin is freaking out. I'm going to get harassed by my husband soon, I know I am. Okay, so a Sonia G, I've got these contacts in and I can't read. A Sonia G Pencil Pro, going in with the darker shade. And I'm just going to tap that in that outer corner. Just add that shading. Circular, I'm heading up, circular motions going in. Running it under my eye. and along the outer top lash line. I will list below all the other products that I've used. I tried to use as many Charlotte Tilbury products as I could, and I will list them below in my shop list link. And there's two columns, there's lists and then there's posts, and I will put it in the posts portion of the shop list of all the products I've used, because it will relate to the video. So just been blending that in the outer corner. I've not been terribly fussy because I'm going to go back in with our first blending brush, and I'm going to mesh that in with and blend it in with that shade. Yep, this wig is going. And that's blended really nicely. Gosh, I've got about 5 minutes. It's 10 to 7 and we're booked in at the restaurant at 7. I'm sitting here with my jumper on, no pants on, like it's a Zoom meeting. So I have to throw some pants on to quickly change my wig. I was planning on doing about 4 videos today, but that didn't happen. Once again, Charlotte Tilbury, the shadows are blending beautifully. I'm being really rough and not careful. This is a really rushed eye look, but it's still coming out pretty. Pretty. Just gonna lightly, with no extra product, eyeshadow, blend that in, because then we're going to try the shimmerers. Okay, I'm definitely going for the lighter one. Yep. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. That is stunning. That is a really rosy gold shade. Stunning. Beautiful. And I'm just going to blend the edges. Gorgeous. Now I'm just going to take another little soft brush, a Refa 13, and take that medium shade and just run that under the eye. Then I'm going to duck off camera, throw on some lashes, change my hair, put some pants on, and I'll come back and finish up. Okay, I can't do that again. I cannot leave myself no time to get ready. I've just had a bit of a tantrum because nothing's sticks. The eyelashes don't stick because there's not much to stick to. I've changed my hair. I have to say, I didn't like this wig when I first got it, but after trying on wigs with lots of hair, I actually really like this one. So I think I might take it down from the site that I've got selling it. This is the density I'm happy with. That's really, really nice. So happy with that. Hate all these flyaways, but that's okay. I'll get used to them. That is the finished look using that little quad, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams palette. Now, I never got the Rose Fire palette and wished I had of, and I'm wondering if that shimmer shade is very similar to what was in there. Not sure, but it's stunning. Love it. Sorry for the really quick video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that. I'm so looking forward to going out for dinner. I'm a little bit of a stress ball at the moment, so I'm going to have to do some deep breathing in the car on the way there. Thanks for joining me, guys. I loved the shadows, the blendability. It was really rushed, but that's still come out really, really awesome. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.